And music. I mean, I've played with AI that create music, and
Sure.
it come out pretty good. But again, it's not a masterpiece, in my opinion. I don't know if it ever will go there because it doesn't have the emotion that you put into the music. So I want to go
I
into.
believe AI will take us to many places, but I also believe that one human being, whether they're playing the cello, the violin, the classical guitar, the piano, whatever,
Hmm.
is not ever going to be destroyed or put on the shelf. And the reason why is any computer can play more accurately or faster than any human being, but there's nobody there.
Hmm.
And what you really want is that musical experience. That is what's important. I'll give you an example. There was a great, and still is, a great Asian cellist, I won't mention his name, who all his life thought, I've got to play perfectly. I've got to play perfectly. Well, as he got into his 60s, he said, you know what? That's the most boring performance I ever heard. I need to focus on the experience. And his playing opened up. So, in other words, it is not that you're perfect. It's not when people say, oh, you played that perfectly. I say, I don't want to be perfect
I
because
love
if
that.
I'm perfect, that means I can't grow and it
Hmm.
means I can't change. And I go, if I think the same thoughts at my age as when I was 21, I've wasted a lot of years because I haven't acquired something to put me on a larger path, a
Hmm.
bigger panorama.
Yep.